Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to receive money on Binance. So first of all, just go ahead and access the Binance Pay. And basically, by accessing Binance Pay, you're going to be able to actually, receive cryptocurrencies exchange, enabling its users to send and receive crypto payments amongst one another without paying any transaction fees. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and head to my wallet at the bottom right corner, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit see the funding right here. So I'm gonna click on it, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click pay right here. In the pay, they will transfer it to the Binance, basically Binance Pay, which is a new service came from Binance, and now you can receive and exchange cryptocurrencies without any transaction fee. Verify it and activate the pay feature. More than 50 digital assets are currently supported, giving Binance users a broad selection of assets to use when paying or receiving a payment. Think of Binance Pay as a PayPal alternative for the cryptocurrency industry. With PayPal, users can receive conventional money across borders, and shop in their favorite stores. Binance Pay offers a similar proposition, allowing its users to spend their crypto on supported merchants such as Travala, or simply send and receive crypto from friends and family. So I'm gonna hit receive right here, and you're gonna see a barcode, right? You can set the currency and you can set the amount of money that you want to add. Maybe you want to receive it in crypto, or maybe you want to receive it in USD or the dollars, USDT, and you can enter the amount basically. And then basically, if you want to add a note, just go ahead and add a note and then confirm at the yellow button. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.